Hi guys! Today we would like to have some fun, but first I want to welcoming back Jason Russell. Hi Jason!
Hi, Das.
Everyone was wondering where is Jason, so here is Jason. He didn't go anywhere. And in today's episode, we will address some of the most common areas of confusion that we hear from our clients and whether they are true or false. So Jason, are you ready?
Let's do it.
Number one, I can't buy a house if my credit score is under 600.
That is false. Most lenders will lend as low as 580, and some lenders will go even lower than that.
Great. All right, number two, I can't purchase a house if I don't have the 20% down payment.
That's also false. Most lenders will allow for as little as 3 to 3.5% down, and sometimes even less with a VA loan or down payment assistance, which allows for nothing down.
Wow, amazing. Number three, I can pay off my loan earlier than the loan terms without a prepayment penalty.
That is true. Prepayment penalties are very rare. Over 95% of all loans on the market have no prepayment penalty.
Wow, so I guess it's a newer thing because before it used to be more.
Yeah, the prepayment penalties were very, very common before 2007, 2008 during that housing crisis. In fact, those prepayment penalties led to a big part of that crisis. So as the government regulated mortgages more following the financial crisis, prepayment penalties were all but eliminated.
Wow, this is awesome. I remember it also from the car business. There's no really prepayment penalty anymore. Okay, awesome. Number four, only cash buyers can buy a house that needs a lot of repairs.
That is false. Most lenders that are out there in the market have some sort of renovation loan available to you that you can use for purchase, where you can get the funds you need to renovate the loan into a livable condition and finance it into the mortgage itself.
Okay, great. So I think I want to stop here for a second and talk to the buyers that see homes that they really like, and the house it's not really new and is outdated, and immediately they push them back. And this is the time that you guys need to talk with your agent or your lender and make sure that the solution, if you really like this house, especially because the price they offer, the listing price they offer. And so it's something really to think about and talk about if you find this house. Don't give up on them. Okay.
Yeah, no question about it. I mean, I think there are really valuable loan options out there, especially for the right kind of house. The only caveat I'd throw out to any buyers that are watching this is that you do have to hire a contractor to do the work. A lot of people are handy. They figure they can fix it themselves. The lenders do require a licensed contractor to do the work.
Well, makes sense. Okay, number five, pre-qualification is the same as pre-approval.
That is false. Pre-qualification, generally speaking, means a verbal sharing of information with your lender. So you verbally told them how much you make, what your credit score is, how much money you have in the bank, and they verbally tell you based on that information how much you could qualify for. A pre-approval is where the lender actually verifies the information you gave them verbally. So they pull your credit report, they review things like bank statements, W-2s, pay stubs, and in some cases send everything through to an underwriter in advance to give you that extra level of comfort to know that the loan has been approved in advance and you just have to find the right house.
Oh, nice. So I want to point on something that's really important now, because you say when a buyer put an offer with a pre-approval letter, the seller like it better, it's stronger offer. Because the seller doesn't have this thought that, oh, it maybe will fall and something happen because it's only just pre-qualified. It didn't go through the underwriting. So it's it's can be big deal in some markets. So make sure that the lender give you a pre-approval letter and not pre-qualifying. Thank you for this information. It's really important.
Sure.
Okay, the last one, number 6. I can get pre-approved for a loan in 1 day.
That is true. I've worked with many clients who have reached out for the very first time, and we took the application. They were able to send me their income and asset documents very, very quickly. We got them reviewed and got everything ready to go in under 1 day so they could get out and shop. Most of the time this happens on a Friday afternoon, and they're getting ready to go out and see open houses on the weekend. And we want to be able to honor that however we can.
Wow, it's amazing. I'll be honest, I've never experienced it before, but I would love Jason to prove us what he can do for you guys. So if you guys have a New Year resolution to purchase a house in 2023, we're here for you, and we're ready whenever you guys ready. Thank you, Jason, for amazing information as always.
Thanks for having me, Hadas.
Yes, and I see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.